In the name of Allah. Hi everyone, today I want to show you in this video how to Excel to PDF convert offline. Step by step learning. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Alright, let's jump on the PC.
Let's say you have an Excel document. And I want to Excel to PDF converter offline. Frist Open Microsoft Excel document. Then go to File menu. And here click on the Save As command. And here click on Browser. And here choose as path for Save PDF file. Here types your PDF name. Then select here the PDF format. Now click on Save. As you can see we have get the Excel to PDF converter offline. Now if you open it you can see that the Word has been converted into PDF. This is Excel to PDF converter offline. It's a very easy way. Thanks for watching guys. Catch you next video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.